Hello children, this is the part 2 video. Go through the first part. You can understand the syllabus of maths exam CBSE class 10th. Okay, part 2. I am going to show here how to prepare and what to prepare for exam and quick revision in this video. Okay, coming to the topics, we have 7 units are there. What are the number system, algebra, geometry, coordinate geometry, trigonometry, mensuration, statistics and probability. Okay, based on these 7 units we get 80 marks. Okay children, this is theory paper you will see in your maths exam. Okay, we get here quick revision of what to learn in these days before exams. Okay, we have to learn, we have to spend time for hard chapters first and easy chapters afterwards. Okay, no at all, this time this is January 8th day today and most of the students are in revision section. Okay, all are completed their preparation and now they are coming to revision. Okay, now what we have to prepare in these topics, first of all we will go through the one by one unit. Okay, first we have number system. In number system, what are the important topics we have to learn children? Okay, number system. Then what topics we have to cover in this number system? See here, in number system, more about rational number and irrational number. Okay, what is rational and irrational number we have to study. And division algorithm lemma, Euclid's lemma we have to learn. Formula of division algorithm. Okay, what is Euclid's division algorithm formula? Based on this we have problems. Okay, like finding the HCF of given two numbers, like that. And next, what is fundamental theorem? Fundamental theorem of algorithm, arithmetic. Okay, now another what? Proofs of results of irrationality, decimal expansion of rational numbers in terms of terminating and non-terminating. Problems based on terminating and non-terminating. Terminating means repeating decimal point and non-terminating means it is not repeated. Okay, terminating. Based on this we get some problems. Okay, decimal, what we have to learn especially in this chapter, every topic is very important children. It will come in very short questions or short questions, so they will cover all topics, important topics. Okay, now introduction of logarithms. So about logarithms we have to study the formulas. Okay, now next, what is conversion of exponential form? Exponential form and to logarithm form. Exponential to logarithm conversion. Okay, now another is properties. We have to study, we have to perfect in properties of logarithms. And what is the laws of logarithms? Laws of logarithms and standard base logarithm, these are all we cover in number system. Real numbers. Okay, this is about real number topic. Real numbers. Okay, in this we cover these topics. We have to perfect in these 6 topics we have to perfect. Okay, now revision. This is the quick revision. See here, you covered or not. Let us check which topics you are perfect. Second unit is what? Algebra. Coming to algebra children, what topics are important? See here, let us see what you have studied in your algebra topics. First one is polynomial. Polynomials. Okay, polynomials. And in polynomials what we have to cover? Zeros of a polynomial. Zeros and geometric meaning of zeros and quadratic and cubic polynomials using graphs. Graphs are very important, children. Okay, relation between zeros relation between zeros and coefficients. And what? Coefficients of a polynomial. Now another topic we have to cover is simple problems. Based on this topic we have so many problems in your exercise. So simple problems on division algorithm for polynomials. In this also division algorithm for polynomials. Okay, here only zeros and topic on zeros, that is geometrical meaning of zeros, of linear, quadratic, and cubic polynomial using graphs, relation between zeros and coefficients, simple problems it will cover. And second, coming to this topic, we have another topic in algebra, that is pair of linear. I am not taking so much of time for you to understand this, only 20 minutes, so keep watching this video completely so that you can understand what topics are important and what we have to learn before revision, before the exam we go. Okay, so pair of linear equations in two variables is the topic. In this, what is the topic we have to write? Examples based on pair of linear two variables and graphical representation of pair of linear equations of different possibilities of solutions. Okay, that is different possibilities. Okay, different possibilities means of solutions, inconsistency. Okay, now another is algebraic conditions of number of solutions topic, and by substitution method and elimination method, problem based on substitution. We have to learn all these substitution and elimination method. Okay, now simple problems, problems on equation reducible to linear equations. Okay, I am writing in short form so that you can cover the total syllabus. Okay, now these two topics are in algebra. Okay, now what is next? Quadratic. Third one is quadratic equations. Quadratic equations, what you have learned, children? Remember, revise once in this video what are the topics you have learned. Okay, what is the standard form of quadratic equation? X square plus bx plus c equal to 0 and a is not equal to 0. Must be a not equal to 0. So if a is equal to 0, total equation is 0. So solutions of quadratic equations only by factorization and by completing the square and by using quadratic formula. We use the two methods, by factorization, by formula we have to learn. Relation between, in this what are the topic? Relation between discriminant and nature of roots. What are the topics we have to cover? Discriminant and nature of roots. Okay. Now another is problems related to this. Okay, problems. Based on this we have so many problems. We have completed problems on factorization, formula based on formula, and discriminant nature of roots. If b is greater than 0, b is equal to 0, like that problems. Okay, in quadratic equation, if you are perfect in this, you can do all these problems easily in algebra. Polynomials problems, pair of linear, so you can cover algebra easily. Weightage of the algebra is more, so you can cover more marks in this chapter. Okay, now this unit is completed. Now what is progressions? Fourth one, progressions. Progressions topic, we have definitions. Okay, most students forget to learn the definition, children, so we have to learn definitions also. It will come in MCQs also, very short questions also. So cover definitions and formulas of arithmetic progression, AP and GP also. What is the sum of first n terms of, remember all, if you have completed your preparation, sum of first n terms of AP, finding the sum of first n terms, and geometric progression, find n the term of GP. This is also geometric progression. Based on this, we have some problems on sum of first n terms on AP and first n terms of GP. Now next topic is coming to third unit, that is geometry. In this geometry, we have two chapters, that are triangles. In triangles, we have properties and proofs are there. If a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other at distinct points, the other two sides are divided in same ratio. Like this, we have to prove the questions. Properties of similar triangles and difference between what? Congruency and similarity. Congruency, children, you are covering or not my video? Please watch completely, understand what topics I am telling you, and prepare revision. Please spend more time for maths. And distinct points, we have in this topic, we have so many topics in triangles. We have to cover all these. Triangle is similar to a given triangle as per given scale factor, and basic proportionality theorem also there. Theorems, problems, that are AAA, and side and side angle side. These are the important problems. Okay, next topic is circles. Okay, in these circles, triangles is so many we have to learn, so go through the triangles topics, learn more, so that you can cover marks. Difference between tangents and secants to a circle. Okay, construction, we have to, if you are a tangent to a circle through a point given on it, we have to construct that. And pair of tangents topic I am covering. Please don't forget about revision of these topics. Pair of tangents of circle, and finding the area of minor and major segment of a circle. Okay, these are all topics important in geometry. Now coming to coordinate geometry. What is the coordinate geometry? It is very simple unit, children. Coordinate geometry. In this topic, we have simply formulas, that are what? First one, concepts of graphs, children, of linear equations. Okay, and what? Second topic, distance between two points are given. If two points are given, distance between two points we have to find. Okay, that is x2 minus under root or x2 minus x1 whole square. If p q are given, and plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, distance between PQ is equal. Like this we have to solve many problems if problem is given. Okay, distance between problem. Concepts of graphs of linear equations, coordinate geometry, and area of a triangle on section formula also there. Section formula. Okay, now what? Area of a triangle of coordinate plane and slope, area and slope is also there. So these are all formulas we have to learn in coordinate geometry. Simply we have coordinate geometry, so not more marks, so cover these marks, easy chapter, so learn easily formula so that you can cover the marks in this chapter. Okay, this will come in very short questions also, simple problems only there. Slope of joining two points. Now coming to the hard chapter, that is trigonometry. So many children leave this trigonometry chapter because this looks like hard chapter, because in this chapter we have ratios. First coming to this ratios table, angle of right angle triangle, that is sine, cosine, tan, cosec, secant and cot. Now these are all we have to remember the ratios of this and what values. I have uploaded the trigonometry video, children, go through the video. I have my channel link also there, trigonometry, so please, I have uploaded how to remember by a simple trick of the remembering the ratios table. Okay, go through the table so that you can remember in exam easily how to remember the ratios of sine, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot. 90, 30 degrees, 60 degrees, 145, 0 degrees, how to remember the values of every degree. Okay, ratios, values of ratios, and that are 0 degrees, that is only I am telling here. Table I have uploaded, very easily trick I have uploaded in that video, so watch completely. Like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates on my channel. Okay, interesting videos. Okay, relation between trigonometric ratios and complementary angles, and another topic is trigonometric relation also, relations, trigonometry identities, children. So many children leave this topic. Trigonometry identities, that is sine square a plus cos square a equal to 1, and like this we have formulas, we have to prove that identities. If given, we have to easily prove that values. So learn these topics, children, in trigonometry, very easy. And second topic, coming to second, applications. Applications are what, children? Angle of elevation, we have to draw the height and distance problems. In this we cover so many problems, children. Angle of height and distance, height and distance based problems come to you, so please solve this, very easy problems, cover these marks by this using applications. Okay, simple problems on heights and distance, problems involving more than two right angles and angle of elevation depression confined to 30 degrees, 45 degrees and 60 degrees. Okay, problems on this and problems on height and distance. So trigonometry chapter is very easy. If you are not perfect in trigonometry, watch my video in my channel, go through my channel and see what trigonometry table is uploaded. So very easy trick I have uploaded, children, so that you can remember the values. Table only you can remember. Okay, very easily you can understand the video, so go through that video, children. Next chapter, coming to last and not the least, that is mensuration chapter, sixth chapter, this one, mensuration. This is also problematic, children, finding the what. In this chapter we are finding problems based on, first we have to concentrate on problems to find surface area problem, and volumes, and combination of cubes, cuboids, formulas, problems and formulas we have to remember in this topic. Okay children, first go through these topics. I am explaining you what topics you have to cover in the chapter, so that revision time you can't waste before exam. Okay, cubes, cuboids also there, cylinders also there, and spheres, cones, like this. Okay, problems converting the type of metallic solid and finding volumes and other mixed problems involving not more than two different solids, like problems coming in this topic. Okay, mensuration is a very easy chapter children, only problematic, not theorems coming in this chapter. Okay, problems only coming, we have to find only, we have to remember only here areas, volumes, cubes, cuboids, formulas, cylinder formulas, like this. So problems cover this chapter. Formulas we have to learn. Okay. So cover this chapter to get the more marks. Problematic chapter. And last is the what children, statistics and I have told you not more than 20 minutes. Okay, 21 minutes going on. Probability. Okay, children, in easy way I am telling you what topics cover the chapters. Okay, mean, statistics, mean, median. We have to learn about median, mode. Okay, we have to learn the data of mean, median, mode. Okay, understanding concept of arithmetic mean, arithmetic median and mode of grouped and ungrouped. Okay, in this we have to cover grouped and ungrouped, mean, median, arithmetic mean, median, arithmetic median, arithmetic mode. Okay, simple problems coming in this topic. Finding, another is finding, now finding mean, median and mode of these two topics, grouped and ungrouped. Based on this grouped and ungrouped, we have to solve the, find the mean, median, mode children. Okay, different methods we have to use and different values of tendencies through this chapter. We have to learn the, only these three topics are important. Based on these topics we have arithmetic mean, arithmetic median, arithmetic mode, grouped and ungrouped, or different methods we have. Problems, probability means, now probability, in this we have concept of definition, we have the definitions, in this also definitions, formulas, how to find them. Now in this also definitions we have to, we have MCQs, no, how to solve, and solving we have median, mean, mode also comes in MCQs also. So different simple problems based on these probabilities children. Now complementary events, this is the last topic, this is also problematic. Complementary events, definitions, simple problems cover this probability. So learn all topics which we cover all the chapter. Okay, don't remove any topic children from your preparation, that topic only comes in your exam. Okay, so cover all topics I have told you, I have explained you in this video. So spend more time in math children. If you are not perfect now also, there are so much time to prepare children. So go through my video completely, so that you can understand what topics you have to cover and what definitions, what and formulas you have to cover in each topic. Okay, number systems you have problematic, only fundamental theorem, a division algorithm. Based on this formula we have to learn formulas. First we have to learn the formulas, definitions. Okay, every topic we have formulas and definitions. Okay, we have to cover these formulas and definitions. If you are perfect in definitions and formulas, you will do the problems easily, children. Please note my point, children. If you are perfect in formulas and definition, whatever the question comes in your question paper, you will solve it easily. Okay, if you understand the logarithms, exponential, properties, laws, then you will cover marks easily, children. 80 marks, 70 marks pakka you will get. You score 70. Okay, in 80 marks total you get 70 marks in theory if you are perfect in formulas and definitions. I am telling you, so watch complete video what we have to cover in every topic. I have explained you. So take your textbook and learn every chapter definitions and formulas before exam preparation. Well prepare for these topics. Okay, don't